Good morning. I am sending you a hello from Salt Lake City. We are getting ready to get on the plane and leave, and I just wanted to share with you the convention kit and all the wonderful things that we received. This is the theme, Becoming, and it has the blue lotus on it. Just a beautiful flower. So I'm going to start with the blue lotus. That is our theme. All right, doTERRA has took 25 years to get this product. Blue Lotus is just something that is not, you're not able to get it in a large amount because it grows in ponds. But what do we love about Blue Lotus? Oh my gosh, it is an anti-aging. It locks the moisture in our skin, it hydrates it, and I love the emotional part. The emotional part that it opens our heart anew every day. We can write a new script for our life to become who we were meant to be, and which is an inspiration. So I'm going to read very quickly this on Becoming. We got this for coming to the convention. It's a blend with a lot of different oils, which I just love. It's just a beautiful scent. But it says here, the lotus flower ends each day under the water, only to rise above the surface each morning anew, fresh and pure. The bloom is inspiring and empowering. It symbolizes continuous growth of heart and mind. Becoming, which is the theme, like the lotus flower, it is a celebration reminding us that our purpose is immense and that our capacity is limitless. And did you want to say something about the lotus, about the chemical makeup?
Yeah, so
Okay.
I talked to one of the scientists, and they showed me the molecule of the blue lotus, and they showed me exactly where it grabs free radicals. So that's a wonderful aspect of the blue lotus. It's very hydrating for your skin. It helps your sebum immensely, and it grabs free radicals.
Yes, wonderful. All right. So birch oil, number 2. If you've been following my Facebook, you'll know that they went to Pennsylvania and they have a distillery there. And again, another 25 years in the making because it's incredibly hard to source pure birch. In fact, I did a post where it shows all these different bottles of different companies with birch, and not one of them had birch in it. It had wintergreen, it had old aspirin in it, it had synthetics in it, but no birch. And why is that important? But you know, when it enters our cells and goes into our body, it is crossing over into this cell membrane, and it is either damaging or it's supporting. And this, when it goes deeper into the skin than even wintergreen, so if you're working out or you have muscular discomfort, this goes much deeper. And we were putting it on Kay's shoulder. She's got a pulled muscle or bursitis, and we put that birch on there, and we put the deep blue rub on there, or the stick, and then we put a hot wet towel on there, and it just drove it in so much deeper than if she wouldn't have had the birch at all. So definitely invigorating. You can put it in your hand and just smell it like peppermint and get a lot of the benefits. All right, the next one is Shinrin Yoku. It comes in a 15 mil, and it comes in a touch, which I've been using. And we've been using the Shinrin Yoku in our diffuser at night to sleep and have a deeper sleep. And I know Lana loves that one. Lana?
It is wonderful. It just makes you just feel, I don't know, it's wonderful. I
Like
love
you're
the
in a
smell.
forest.
Yes, exactly. And I can't wait to go home and diffuse it at home and just try to meditate and relax. It's
Yes.
gonna be wonderful.
So yes, thank you. And 93% of the time we spend indoors, and that was in 1992. I spent a lot of time outdoors when I was little, recharging the energy from the earth and the air and the trees. Well, we're not doing that. So this is a great way to get the compounds from the trees and everything and bring it into our home. And so it's called actually forest bathing. And this is what they do in Japan to get back to the earth, to get that energy to renew. And it does have magnolia, lemon, patchouli, Siberian fir, cypress, very soft cypress, or soft pines, cardamom, hinoki, lavender, grapefruit, geranium, lemon, petitgreen. It is so diverse, but it just brings nature all together. So definitely you want to get this product for meditation, sleep. All right, next thing, sleep products. We have our lineup of 3 different products. And of course, you know Serenity. That is our go-to. If you had chatter in your sleep or try to sleep and you can't shut your brain down, this, I put it across my forehead. If you diffuse it, it is great because it goes in your body and just calms everything down. This is a fabulous product, and I just can't imagine living without it. But then they came out with the Serenity Stick, and I've been using it every night. I wake up at 3 o'clock in the morning because, you know, we're 2 hours behind. I just rolled it back on my head. I went back to sleep. That just does not happen. This is great for little kids, babies. You can put it on the bottom of their feet. You can put it on their lower spine. Anybody want to say anything about the Serenity Stick?
It smells so amazing.
It
I can't
does.
believe it really shocked me. The first time I started wanted to see what the scent was, I just couldn't stop inhaling.
Yes, and so this has valerian in it. That's what makes it special. And valerian smells like stinky socks, but this does not. This is a beautiful smell. So if you want peace, and for those who want to calm down during the day, this is the one to go to. And then if you have been using the Serenity Restful Complex in the gel caps, they updated this also. They made it better because doTERRA is always science, always updating and looking at what's out there. And they found out they added tart cherry. Tart cherry is a natural way it goes in your body and it makes natural melatonin. Now, I used melatonin years and years ago because I was having trouble sleeping, and I just cried. It just made me cry because it was disrupting my natural melatonin. And Kay was telling us about how it disrupts when you take artificial melatonin.
So the tart cherry actually has a low level of natural melatonin in it. And your cells, your body goes, oh my goodness, this is what I need. And it imitates it and makes its own melatonin. Your body cannot do that and does not do that with the synthetic melatonin.
So yeah, and then it has L-theanine in it also, which helps your body make GABA. So it's not direct GABA, but it is a precursor to that. All right, so the next one, everybody needs. Everybody. If you've been taking probiotics, I don't care what company it is, nobody has this. This is a love effort from doTERRA, working on this for 4 years. And it's a major struggle for everybody on different levels. Some people have really autoimmune problems with their gut, and other people just have trouble with digestion. There's no medical answer except for drugs, and that's their side effects. So it's time to restore, guys. So do you know the average person only eats about 12 different foods in their diet? But diversity of diet is actually essential for gut. So this here, PB Restore, actually helps overcome diet deficiencies with 30 pre, pro, and postbiotics, and it has 1 bacteriophage. And you'll have to find out more about that, but it's something that actually is like a sweeper, and it sweeps the bad bacteria out of the body. So this is going to help restore your diversity. It's going to balance your gut, so it's at just optimal health. There's nothing on the market like this. So I will be doing a lot more. There's also an educational thing that you can go to, and I have that posted, that you can learn more about it. And then the PB Assist Junior has been upgraded to 13 strains and 1 prebiotic. It's in a strawberry flavor, and you take this along with this because they do 2 different things. So you definitely want to give that a try. So if you put your PB Assist in your cart, doTERRA is going to put the new in there next month, and you're going to get it at a discount. All right, next one. Super Mint toothpaste. If you guys have been using this toothpaste in On Guard and you've missed that mint flavor, you're going to love this. I've been using it since I've been here, and it's so refreshing. And it has the same mineralizing hydroxy apatite in it. So brush your teeth, spit it out, but don't rinse. Let it stay on 20 minutes. I have had a great checkup with very little plaque. The spot that they said that's going to become a cavity has not. So they're keeping an eye on it. It has been fabulous. So you guys have anything you want to add about anything about the kit or anything that you've gotten out of the coming to the
Oh, did you do the hydration sticks?
the hydration
So,
sticks?
we
Yes.
have wonderful new electrolytes. They come in lemon lime, which is very sour, and strawberry. You add them to 16 ounces of water. It is not a shot. They're designed to be hydrating you. You can actually drink more water, have the water be absorbed and beneficial to your cells, and go to the restroom less if you take these electrolytes.
Yeah, and the reason why I forgot to talk about them, these are like little packs, like samples, because they're not coming out until January. And I have found hydration is essential for elderly people. They become forgetful, they become more apathetic, they lose their energy. And I also found out that if you have a fever, your temperature is high, any electrolytes are going to lower that temperature. So this is very essential to have at all times, and I've been using it the whole time this week and to keep myself hydrated because it is dry here. All right, so we are having a Reclaim event. It's a wellness event. It's going to be in Granville, Ohio. If you live in the area, you want to make sure that you go there. I have it posted. You can get a ticket there. You can get the kit 10% off if you come there, if you still want the kit and you didn't get it. Or if you know anybody that wants to enroll with the kit, they can get 10% off. And you get to try all the products. They go through the wellness things and you get DIYs. I just hope that you come to it. May comment below if you have any questions or about it, but we had a great time singing and laughing and even crying because we're just exhausted. So do you want to say anything else?
I just
Lana?
say try to make an effort to come because it's so great to be here in person. The energy and everything is just wonderful, and I'm excited to get the products first.
Yes. All right. Thank you so much, and I will see you soon. Bye.